To ease your shopping process, we have compiled a list of some top-notch rolling shop stools with a detailed description, pros and cons. Also, we provided a comprehensive buying guide to make your purchase worthwhile and to pick the exact model that suits your requirements. Number 1. WN73012 Rolling Mechanic Shop Stool. 1 is a highly popular brand of power tools which have been making all kinds of tools and even a few accessories for your workshop like its shop stool, the WN73012. Rolling shop stool comes at the first position of this list as it is the cheapest option present in this article. Because it is an affordable option, its given height range of 15" to 20" is to be expected. Thankfully, just like other high-end shop stools, this one also offers a pretty high weight capacity of 300 pounds. Another great thing about this budget shop stool is that it offers a great build quality as well as 2-year-long warranty, making it quite reliable and durable. Though the design may seem known to you, the internal mechanism makes the actual difference in quality. Starting from the build quality, it's a 300 pounds capacity pneumatic stool that makes it an ideal and sturdy low rolling stool. For utmost comfort, the seat comes with multi-layer padding and thick vinyl wrapped cushion. Pros: sturdy and reliable stool, high weight capacity rating, cheap and affordable rolling shop stool. Comes with a 2-year-long warranty. Cons: average height range. Number 2, Big Red Torin Swivel Shop Stool. The thick padding on the Big Red Torin shop stool is just what you need if you plan on spending long periods of time sitting down. Weighing in at just 12.2 pounds, this shop stool is incredibly portable. The padding is soft and firm, and the leather upholstery makes for a very posh look. It has a modern design that would look great in your workshop, with the shiny silver metal finish providing a touch of vintage style. Even if you are small or short-legged, the footrest ring is high enough to help you stabilize your feet and legs. Speaking of legs, the Torin's forelimbs are a lot nicer than other stools. There's something to be said about the commercial-grade design of this stool. The seat has ample padding. It is also wider than other stools. Big-bottomed guitarists will never have problems sitting on the Torin. The padding is both soft and firm, and the leather top gives the seat a more luxe appearance. I also thought that the Torin has a fixed seat. I was wrong. It swivels a full 360 degrees to give you enough options to change your playing position. Pros: high-density foam provides maximum comfort, anti-slip protective caps keep the stool stable, luxurious-looking black seat, it swivels a full 360 degrees. Cons: difficult to assemble. Number 3, DEWALT Adjustable Rolling Shop Stool. Apart from one, DEWALT is another highly popular brand of power tools that also happens to offer a few shop stools that are as good as its other power tool offerings. DEWALT's Rolling Shop Stool comes at the second position of this list as it is a highly adjustable and quite a durable rolling shop stool. Talking about adjustments, DEWALT has included a heavy-duty hydraulic piston inside this shop stool which allows you to adjust it from 22.5" to 26.75" in terms of the seat height. Being a sturdy and well-built rolling shop stool from DEWALT, the given weight capacity of up to 300 pounds is to be expected. Another thing that you would expect from such a premium shop stool, it offers excellent build quality as well as a 2-year-long warranty to the user for peace of mind. So, undoubtedly, just like any other good shop stool, you can enjoy 360 degrees swiveling sitting in a comfortable padded seat while resting your necessary tools at the bottom rack of this popular DEWALT shop stool. Pros: great height adjustment range, durable and sturdy steel frame, 360 degree swivel design, comes with a 2-year-long warranty. Cons: premium and expensive shop stool. Number 4, WORKPRO Heavy-Duty Adjustable Hydraulic Shop Stool. This WORKPRO model has a hydraulic height adjustment system that can smoothly change the seat height from 29 to 34 inches via a lever under the lip of the seat. The seat also can rotate 360 degrees in any direction for easy access to tools or parts. The shop stool doesn't have wheels, but at 18 pounds, it's fairly easy to lift and carry if necessary. The heavy-duty stationary shop stool has a durable steel frame that can support up to 330 pounds. Its 4 sturdy legs end in padded feet to help prevent sliding and protect the flooring. It features a padded seat that measures about 14 inches in diameter, and it comes in 3 color options: black, green, and pink. However, customers are raving about it, and for having tried it myself, I agree completely. If you want a shop stool that visually stands out, can handle more weight than most and offering a relatively higher seating position, look no further. This is the one. Pros: higher than the standard weight capacity, plenty of seat height adjustment range, cool design, available in a variety of colors. Cons: no warranty. Number 5. Toner Adjustable Rolling Shop Stool. Toner can be another viable option if you are looking for rolling shop stools that are affordable but still offer a usable product for your workshop. This Toner Rolling Shop Stool is an entry-level shop stool model that can be a great option for buyers on a budget, because it is designed for budget buyers. The given height range of 19.3 inch to 25.2 is pretty good in comparison with other budget options. However, its weight capacity of 250 pounds is lower than others, and you would certainly expect better due to the given build quality. Speaking of the build quality, you get a sturdy metal construction along with a decent 6-month-long warranty. The cushion is wrapped in PU leather, water and oil-proof, easy to clean, let your feet enjoy the rest, comfortable and stylish. The wheels can rotate 360 degrees, easy to move and no noise. Pros: entry-level budget shop stool, decent height range, sturdy metal construction, comes with a 6-month-long warranty, rated weight capacity of 250 pounds. Cons: weight capacity could have been better.